Fresh food from your kitchen. A rewarding journey. Imagine fresh homegrown vegetables always at your fingertips. Regrowing vegetables from kitchen scraps makes this possible, transforming your kitchen into a mini garden. It's a fun, easy way to enjoy fresh food, save money, and reduce waste, all while adding a touch of green to your home. This simple practice connects you with nature's cycle of growth and reminds us that food doesn't have to come from a supermarket. It's a fulfilling experience to nurture new life from something you'd usually discard, and the reward is delicious and nutritious. Whether you're an experienced gardener or a curious beginner, regrowing vegetables is an enjoyable and rewarding journey. Lettuce from scrap to salad bowl. Lettuce is a great vegetable to start with for beginner regrowers. It's not only easy but also incredibly rewarding to see new life sprout from what would otherwise be kitchen waste. You don't need any special equipment or skills, just a sunny spot and a little patience. A windowsill that gets plenty of sunlight is perfect for this project. Instead of discarding the base of your lettuce head, save about 2 inches of it, including the core where the leaves attach. This core is essential for new growth. Place the base in a shallow dish of water, cut side up, ensuring the core is submerged. This will provide the necessary moisture for the plant to start regrowing. Keep the water fresh, changing it every day or two. Fresh water is crucial to prevent mold and bacteria from affecting the new growth. Within days, you'll see new leaves sprouting from the center. It's a fascinating process to watch as the plant regenerates. As the lettuce grows, you can transplant it into a pot with soil, or keep it in water, changing it regularly. Both methods work well, but soil can provide more nutrients. Soon you'll have a fresh head of lettuce ready for your salads. Enjoy the satisfaction of eating something you've regrown yourself right from your kitchen. Celery. Multiplying stalks with ease. Similar to lettuce, celery can be easily regrown from its base. This simple method not only saves money but also ensures you have a continuous supply of fresh celery at your fingertips. When you buy a bunch of celery, cut off the bottom inch or two where the stalks are joined. This part is often discarded, but it holds the secret to regrowth. This discarded part holds the key to new growth. By utilizing it, you can turn waste into a valuable resource. Place the celery base in a small bowl or jar filled with water, ensuring the cut side is facing up. Make sure the water level is sufficient to cover the base but not the entire stalk. Place the bowl in a sunny location, like a windowsill. Sunlight is crucial for the regrowth process, so choose a spot that gets plenty of light. New, pale green stalks will begin to emerge from the center of the base. This is a sign that your celery is successfully regenerating. After a week or so, tiny roots will start to appear. These roots are essential for the plant to absorb nutrients once it's transferred to soil. Once the roots are about ½ an inch long, you can plant the celery base in a pot with soil, leaving the top of the base exposed. This will allow the new stalks to grow freely. Water it regularly, and soon you'll be harvesting fresh celery stalks. With minimal effort, you can enjoy homegrown celery all year round. Green onions, also known as spring onions, are perhaps the easiest vegetable to regrow from scraps. All you need to do is save the white bulb with about 1 inch of the green stems attached. Place the onion bottoms in a glass or jar with enough water to cover the roots. Position the jar in a well-lit area, but avoid direct sunlight. You'll be amazed at how quickly the green onions start to grow. Change the water every couple of days, and within a week, you'll have fresh green onion tops ready to snip and use in your cooking. The best part is, you can continue to regrow them multiple times, ensuring a continuous supply of this flavorful vegetable. Regrowing vegetables from kitchen scraps is more than just a fun gardening project. It's an engaging and educational activity that can involve the whole family, from young children to grandparents. It offers a range of benefits for you and the environment. Not only does it provide a sense of accomplishment, but it also fosters a deeper connection with nature. Firstly, it reduces household waste, ensuring that perfectly usable parts of vegetables don't end up in landfills. This reduction in waste helps lower your carbon footprint. This simple act contributes to a greener and more sustainable lifestyle. By regrowing your vegetables, you're taking a small but significant step towards environmental conservation. Secondly, it saves you money on groceries. Over time, the savings can add up, especially if you regularly use vegetables like green onions, lettuce, or celery. While you may not be able to grow all your vegetables this way, even a small harvest from regrown scraps can make a difference. It can supplement your meals and reduce the frequency of grocery trips. Imagine never having to buy green onions again. This is just one example of how regrowing vegetables can be both practical and rewarding. Finally, it provides you with fresh, homegrown produce, often free from harmful pesticides and chemicals. This means healthier meals for you and your family. The satisfaction of growing your food even on a small scale is immensely rewarding and connects you to the origins of your food. It can also be a therapeutic and stress-relieving activity. So why not give it a try? Start with something simple and see how it goes. You'll be surprised by how easy and satisfying it can be to regrow your veggies and enjoy the bounty of your kitchen garden. It's a small step with big rewards for both you and the planet.